Right out front of Aloita Resort lies Tikus, a gem of a wave inviting surfers of all levels to jump right in. With its easy access, you can go from your doorstep to the lineup in minutes, ensuring maximum time spent in the water. This friendly wave offers a perfect blend of fun and ease, making it ideal for families and children to enjoy together. Experienced surfers will also find Tikus perfect for a laid-back session, whether they're catching their first wave or honing their skills. Tikus promises endless fun for everyone.